gone to school. Guys! Guys! I want to see. Guys, look.
Why you're so early? Hi, good morning everyone.
Hello guys, today's video. Guys, today's video. We're going to school and then mommy's driving me.
So yun yung mga estudyante nila dito guys. Ayan sila. Yung iba nagwo-walk, may iba nagbabike. Then yung iba nagka-car. Anak sila ka secure dire. Basta matabok. Ano si William? So guwapo. It's your first time sitting in the front with me driving.
Oh yeah.
Did you brush your teeth, William?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Let me see. You should brush your teeth, Jude William. Or else, mga tanggal na mga ipon. You're not gonna take it of your ipon? Hala ka. You should always brush your teeth.
I'm sad by school.
Bye, William.
Mommy, my backpack.
Let's go in.
Mommy, my backpack. Mommy, how much money do I have? My dala.
You have 20 more minutes. Your food is there, huh? Aside a minute, so you can eat there pa. Bye, Nat.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you.
Be good, huh? Always. Bye-bye. Hindi matulog, Wilon, ha? Wilon! Tulog ang bata, ay. V, take a V.
Sina.
Ayaw, sleep.
Sina, sleep.
We are going to pick up William. Then we're gonna get some ice cream. Then we're going to park.
My dad's so big, my park.
Asa man? Asa so big?
So big.
So si Bestie, alam niya na talaga yung ano niya. Alam niya na magsuot ng shoes. Alam niya na mag-atiman siyang kaugalingon. Like, I don't need to ka nang na ay magsuot, magpasuot pa siyang sapatos dili na. Ah, si Wilon, unsa man ay mong gisuot, Wilon? That's Wes, Kuya Wes, the slipper. Be, help him be put his shoes on. That one, oh. That one, oh.
Oh.
Kana. Dili na mao ka ta isa. Kana ba? Kana. Eh, iput na be. Help him. And he's always helping mommy na. Thank you, Kuya. More pa. La. Oh no, tarong lang. Be, tarong ba ako, be? Ayaw.
Yung dumi.
Pagkali na, be. nice para madali. Ayaw, that's not nice.
Your mother, me.
Oh, slipper na lang tayo. One.
Yes. Your mother, me.
Oh, let's go now. Behave mo, behave. Oh my God. Yan yung ka-hyper ng anak, guys. Good luck. But wait. Hey, stay. So I need to lock the front door. Hold, Waylon Wesley. Hold. Hold ha. Ayaw pa ito dito sa... You're gonna have to wait. Lina. Ayaw lang. Your eyes? What happened? Super init. Goodness.
No, stay.
Lolo, ano naman awilan? Sige na. Go na. Sige na, Wes. Sige na. Init, ha?
Alright. Wait.
I said sit down natin, ha?
Water. Mine not cold. It's not cold, mommy.
Ayan, nakabakol na si Waylon. Ay, shush! Pa-cute-cute, Waylon, be. Smile sa baway, be. Ice! Imo ilong? Baba. Imong ilong? Ala, nag-uwan na, we. Galain ang panahon, guys, ay nagtaligsik. So, tara. Ay, kainit. Ginoo ko. Init nga taligsik. Are you guys okay there?
No.
Why?
It's hot.
Good answer, Wes. Ano ba na? Pizza. So, time check is 1:14. So, magpunta muna kami. Bili muna kami ng food. Tapos, pick up namin si William. And then, ice cream. And then, mag-park. So, let's go, guys. Samahan niyo kami. Hi, guys. So, nandito na kami. Naglinya na yung car namin sa labas ng eskwelahan ni William. So, we got fries. And frozen drinks for Wesley and William, and itong frappe. Oh. Yan. So, pero na-guilty ko, guys, kaya ano, nag-low carb na ako. Babalik na naman ako sa uno. Manambok kitag samot ani, basta yung aning style ay. At ga-low carb ko, no, pero sige, uguan ang huna-huna. French fries, frappe sa McDo. Grabe man sa gunginita, eh. So, mauna siya, mamayat. Huna-huna rin, mamayat, pero ang kuan, huna-huna sa sigkaon.
Mommy, you want to eat?
Yes, baby. Can you give me some?
Okay. Black.
Ayaw, i-give lang, get lang, and then i-give sa kuha ang kuan.
What's that?
Ang tanan na ay sobra.
One? Mom?
Dili, one. Ang sobra ba, ambe? So, ganina pa dyan ko gaduha-duha. Ako abang kaunon. Ako bangin na.
Mommy! Mommy!
Sige na lang, eh.
Yes.
Yes. Daghan na, daghan.
Okay, Dara.
Ay, dili ko ng drinks naman ko.
And you have order. I want
Alam
that.
mo, wala na ba ako rice? Ay.
yet.
Ambina. Kaya ano for mommy na. Ambina, it's good for you. William, how's your school?
Good.
Huh?
Diam. Good.
That's good.
Diam. Yes. Ako drinking
The blue one. You drink the blue one. Yeah, Waylon.
Asleep. Mine is melted and then yours is not.
Yes. So, nandito na kami sa Bay's Gwapuhan. Di mo, William, uy. Buyag.
Diam. Ako habit phone.
Love you.
Diam.
Forever. You love mommy forever? How about you, Wes? Do you love mommy forever? You will love mommy forever? Yes. How about you, Waylon? You will love mommy forever, Way? Aww, thank you, boys.
Mommy.
How's your school?
Good.
Unsay mo gikuan ka ron?
Math on computers again.
Math and computer, wala dem.
No, math on computer.
Ah, math on computer.
Hi.
Kanang na nagkuan, William, kanang na no, ni Wesley. How's your classmate?
Good.
Nice
Bye-bye.
sila. Walay bully. That's good, okay? Don't let bully you. Right? You should tell your teacher, okay? Right away. Because that's not good. Huh? Thank you. Because I know you're buutan man. Wesley. Tara, let's go na.
Okay.
So you like here? You like to have you like the school here?
Mama, can you open the
Why do you like here? Ano ganahan ka dre?
because I like it.
Kay na may computer. No. William, nganong gwapo ka, William? Asa ka? Alam niyo guys, yung size si William na clothes is 10 to 12 na ano. Na sizes. Pag 10 years old to 12 years old. Unsa na ka, Wes? Halak ka. Ha?
Red gola pa.
Bisaya lang. Adto ta.
Ata
Asa ta adto?
pati.
Ha, di ba naman to party?
You said nanay to the car.
Di ba mo atong ta party? Unya ang car na broken baya ang ligid. Ang tire na broken baya so wala na lang ta nakaadto, di ba?
Go. Tala guard break it. Guard break it.
Wala uy. Taka mo ko.
Not night. Not night.
Lot night. Unsa kay nang kuan Wesley? Kana bitong
Unta.
kanang unsa gani nang manok?
Manok. Manoy.
Di ba unsa ang manok sa English?
Lelon.
Naday kay manok.
Ah.